Welcome back, YouTube viewers. Here we have this 36-inch Union industrial ceiling fan with the twisted slash curved ceiling fan blades. Got this from a nice couple. They're moving actually, so they're getting rid of some stuff they had sitting around the garage, and this was one of the items. There's the tag. It's a little dusty. It's in relatively good shape though. The bearings are a little stiff, but not too bad. It's been sitting on the garage floor for about a year, they said, so it's decent. Had to run all new wire. They pulled the wire actually out down here when they took it down. So, interesting, but it worked. Now, the cool thing about the fan is it also came with a freebie. I got this massive old school pendant light. It's chrome, which is cool because I'd use it more likely if it's in chrome than brass, so chrome is nice. And a very massive globe. Let me see if I can kind of give you guys an idea just how big that globe is. So definitely pretty old school. It is out air production. As you can see there, it says 2009 on it. But yeah, it's missing the mounting bracket, which I can probably fab something. But I'm not sure what I want to do with this yet. But I think I'm going to hold on to this in case I find a use for it. But just as likely if someone wants it, let me know and make me an offer. Either way, back to the fan. Now I only got the fan from them, there was no control. So that kind of sucks, but it's whatever. See if I can reach the speed control. All the way on low on the Dayton 3 amp control. The bearings need a little bit of TLC. I gave it a score of W40 watt lithium, and they have since gone quiet. I live by W40 watt lithium, especially on steel bearings. It works miracles, so can't complain. Definitely a pretty good runner. That's low speed. Got this massive pile of originals I have to get out of my way. Eventually. Go ahead and go to a medium-ish speed. Somewhere probably right around there. It's already moving pretty good air. Let's go ahead and go. As you can see, it's well balanced. Very good amount of air. Now I have two already like this, except for the two I have are straight blades. The first curved blades that I have. Very cool fan. Definitely a good runner. And yes, this one's probably getting added to my collection. I wouldn't mind finding a brown one of these. I found a bunch of white ones. Nothing in brown yet. But it's still cool that these pop up. These are probably the most common industrial down here in Florida. These old cast Unions or Evergoes or Leslie Locks or Montgomery Wards, whatever. They're all the same company basically. Yeah, this thing's a good runner though. The cast iron motor will hold up as it has so far throughout time. Oh yeah, by the way, current drawing, it's rated for 0.6 amps. It draws 0.54. This is a little bit under, but it functions as it should, so I believe the capacitor is good. No need to check it. Hoping to work on some projects today since I have some free time to myself, but we'll see what happens. Bearings are freeing up nicely though. Still quite a bit of a stiff stop it looks like it's gonna have. Yeah, it's a little stiff still. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys.